In today's video, we'll talk about meme coins. What is causing this meme coin sell-off? We're going to discuss whether or not meme coins are dead. And finally, my meme coin thesis and my strategy moving forward. If you hold meme coins, you need to watch this video to the end. Keep in mind, nothing I say is financial advice. So most meme coins are experiencing a pretty significant sell-off right now. Comparing this to other narratives on 30-day relative strength index, it becomes clear that meme coins are lagging behind in the market. This isn't only for the big cap memes, but also for the lower cap ones as well. So what is causing this huge sell-off? First of all, meme coins have performed very well over the last couple of months, so people will be taking profit. Second reason is more abstract and a lot more important to understand, as it ties in with overall market sentiment. A very crucial thing to understand in crypto is that the market sentiment can change on the day. Just a couple of weeks ago, largely due to Murad's vision, memes were looked at as something that was decentralized for the people and even a safe investment because there were no vesting nor early investors that was going to dump on you. And now we've entered a period of economic uncertainty. We had the FOMC meeting, which both the crypto and the stock market reacted poorly to, which ultimately means that investors do not feel as confident holding risk on assets. And then it suddenly dawns upon the market participants that they hold JPEGs with zero fundamental value. They have no perceived utility compared to the other altcoins in the other narratives. Then they panic and they sell. And you got to keep in mind that a huge portion of meme coin holders are crypto beginners. So when they see 10% down on the day, of course, that's a huge sell signal for them. This is also coupled with stories that get media attention, such as the Hogtua girl that was specifically targeting external people outside of crypto because they know those were the easiest to fool. We also have stories from Pump.fun that garner attention from big influencers, which further shed light on the deceptive practices employed within this meme coin space. All of this contributes to the negative sentiment surrounding meme coins today. So right now, we're not in an environment where meme coins will thrive. So should we just ditch this narrative and focus on the things that have actual utility? I'm going to show you why I'm not selling my meme coins. Back in March, we saw utility coins peak and memes all across the board did well, but it wasn't until after the March peak, closing in on May, June, that we saw the true meme coin rally, including the lower cap ones. It was practically impossible to not make money on meme coins if you got in early. If we, for instance, take a look at Turbo this cycle, you can see that Turbo participated in the utility rally, both in later stages of 2023 and Q1 2024. But it wasn't until May when it really started to pick up. And this is the case for a lot of meme coins that are around today as well. Another example is Ponke, participated in the March utility rally, but it wasn't until May where it really started to pick up. So why did we get this delayed pump for meme coins? Here comes my thesis. I believe there are many reasons, but there are primarily two reasons for why we got a delayed pump for meme coins. Reason number one, high risk appetite. After March, especially for those who secured some profit, people had a very big appetite for risk after seeing what this space can do in terms of multipliers. They're therefore more inclined to be attracted to volatility, rapid price appreciation, and quick gains. There's no better way of achieving this than in the meme coin sector. Stories also begin to flourish, how people are making millions overnight. And these stories garner attention because it's just so surreal how something with no fundamental value can make you millions of dollars. And if some idiot managed to get rich off a JPEG, why can't I? This feedback loop is what creates this mania. Second reason is that people who are truly late to the space will come in at this time. The people that come in late into the market are most likely completely new to crypto, no experience, don't know what narratives are, and will go with what they recognize, memes. I've shown this regressional analysis multiple times, but I'm convinced that besides perhaps top 10 cryptos, the likelihood of someone buying a meme coin as their first cryptocurrency is very high. This is because meme coins are something that people can understand and resonate with. Imagine you're a new person to crypto and you have the option in front of you of buying Arbitrum, the EVM-compatible optimistic roll-up blockchain platform built on top of the layer 1 Ethereum, or this cute dog. Unless you got an Arbitrum shilled by friends or an influencer, there's a high chance you are going for this dog. What's even more is that when Bonk reaches $1, you will be rich. When Arbitrum reaches $1, you wouldn't even have made it 2x. This is not uncommon for new people in this space to think. So my thesis is that meme coins will make a new all-time high after utility peaks. What challenges my theory is 2021. Memes, with the exception of a few ones, both pumped and dumped with utility. After the November top, which marked the top for that cycle, BTC started tanking rapidly. In this environment, of course, no one is going to invest in meme coins. If we take a look at 2024 around May times, Bitcoin was actually performing quite well. Therefore, if we get a blow off top like we did back in 2021, where Bitcoin starts to drastically decline after, then the entire market will follow suit. So my strategy coming up will take those two scenarios into account. So finally, my strategy moving forward. First, get solid Memecoin entries in every single bullish Memecoin chain that will do well, being Base, Solana, Ethereum, and Sui. The thing is that these solid entries are made now, as we speak. If you want to be the ones that use others as exit liquidity, you have to get positions in now when no one cares. Because by the time we switch bullish again and utility altcoins pump, these will also pump. Then there are two scenarios. Scenario one, if it turns out that we get a blow off top for Bitcoin, where we start to rapidly decline without respecting support levels, then I would fully exit my entire Memecoin position. I will be completely honest when I think the time has come for Memecoins, together with altcoins in general, so make sure to subscribe to see that video. Scenario number two, if we enter a period where I notice Bitcoin kind of chops around same way it did in the aftermath of March, then I will hold on to a portion of the memes. Here I am betting on both a new wave of retail coming in and already existing market participants looking for more risk. Keep in mind, by this stage, memes will have pumped significantly. It is absolutely crucial that you have taken significant profit before we get confirmation if in fact Bitcoin will drop or chop around. For those in my VIP, use the profit taking guide and the profit taking calculator. These tools are essential and allow you to take full advantage of this. Also, given that this can happen in a couple of weeks, months, make sure that the meme coins you're choosing to position yourself in are not tied to a narrative externally that will fade. That means no peanut. I've been saying this ever since I got a Binance listing. Do not buy peanut. Focus on the good, long-lasting risk-reward S-tier memes and get one or more representative from each of these chains. I will make a video on the top 3 best risk-reward meme coins from every single chain, so be on the lookout for that. Other chains such as Avalanche, Tron, Caspa, the less attractive chains, those will be tradable, so I would not be focusing on those right now for long-term holds. So that's it. If you want to see the Discord secret gems that I don't talk about on YouTube, then join the VIP. These are the meme coin results so far, including the ones that did not go that well. I'm the only YouTuber who's being transparent about this because I have nothing to hide. So if you were to follow every single one of my calls, you would be up greatly. Recently, I have been focusing more on long-term plays, but I will be scouting for those degen plays during this holiday and drop some trades very soon. When joining, you also get a really in-depth portfolio review. These reviews take me on average 1 hour to complete because I like to take my time and look at what you need as an investor. Prices will increase very soon. I hope to see you there. Enjoy the rest of the holiday. Take care and stay safe.